Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, it is well into the fall season and I'm ready to show my fall decor. Well, I was trying to hold off until I get a couple things maybe from Zgallerie or somewhere else so I see something really special, but I really didn't. So I figured enough is enough. I have enough decor in my small space just to show you my ideas of what I want to do this year for fall. Because I live in Las Vegas, you guys know I live here in Las Vegas where only thing we have is desert, and we have just desert landscaping, palm trees, and not a lot of greenery. So I'm kind of missing my East Coast vibe, you know, because I'm from the East Coast. Many of you know I'm a Philly girl. So I'm missing sort of like my park and my warmth and my golden colors when the leaves change colors. That is something I don't really see here. So I really want to bring that inside my home. East meets west. So I'm going to bring the east to the west in my home because again, I love my colors here. So decided to do very traditional with the golds and the oranges and the reds. Not so much bling bling because again, I'm missing my colors. I'm missing my warmth, and especially when you have black and white decor. So I want to show you, even if you have black and white decor, how you can incorporate, and even with your silver here with the little bling here, you can still incorporate, you know, those warm colors and the warm tones to it. So I'm going to show you in my Tablescape, and I did buffalo checker because I really like that and I have a whole lot of it. So I kind of keep the theme again this year as well, but this year I incorporate of course my warm tones along with my buffalo checker. So also I want to include my roses from Rose Forever, and they, you know, I did a video on it already and I did other Tablescapes. So I wanted to change the Tablescape just slightly and just see if I can add some buffalo checker and black and white to it and see how it comes out. Can you put roses in the fall? I think it looks fantastic. No problems whatsoever. So again, I'm going to show you, I'm going to keep this video really short to the point, and I'm going to show you how Mooregirl did her fall decor for 2020. All right guys, let's get started with my fall decor 2020. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl. Now the first thing I want to do is show you the bar cart. You guys know I showed this the other day in my tour. If you saw that, I got the Metropolitan bar cart from Zgallerie. Yes, this is my favorite bar cart, and along with these pumpkins, also from Zgallerie I hauled last year. These beautiful glass pumpkins has the sort of the crystal beading on it. They don't glow, they don't light up, but they're absolutely stunning. Now for my fall sign, guys, this is so cute. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It is a buffalo checker, but it's gray and white, little pumpkin shape. I use my Cricut. I use red for the fall bar, and I use my gold metallic that I cut out my leaves with. Absolutely cute. I decided to add beautiful sunflowers and these Pampas Grass that I got from Amazon. The flowers I got from Walmart. They was 97 cents for a little bundle. Along with that, I put it in a ginger jar that I DIY about a few months ago. I did do a video on that as well. So for the bottom of the bar cart, I found these beautiful, gorgeous from Goodwill, beautiful flute and martini glasses. They are red and gold, and they sort of have like a gold gilded looking like either vine or paisley type design on them. And it's also the gold is wrapped around the stem. Again, I used the warm colors of the sunflowers and the red leaves, you know, I got from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. Absolutely cute and gorgeous. I also attached a light strip I got from Amazon. It's sort of like an emotion light, or it can stay on all day. I really like this for the ambience of the bar cart at night. Also, this cute caddy, guys. This is the wine caddy I got from Goodwill. I hauled along with the glasses. I think it was only about $3.99. Beautiful deep brown chocolate color, and it has beautiful wood handles. And also the wine bottle I got from my daughter. This says all you need is love and a bottle of wine. Okay, and over here is my credenza, the flower here, my ginger jar, and of course my mirror I got from Walmart that is also at Zgallerie. Of here is the, I thought this was cute, these buffalo checker candles. These are only $5, and these are at Walmart, and they come in warm apple pie, or they come also in a farmhouse scent. Now over the fireplace, which I got from Biglots. Remember, I hauled this from Biglots last year, really cute, on sale, and I paired it with this beautiful pillow I got from Kohl's, and this was only about $16.99 along with this throw I got from HomeGoods, and I had this throw a while ago now, but I figured those nice warm colors really pop on top of this buffalo checker basket I got from Hobby Lobby. I hauled again this about a year ago, and they still have these items as well, guys. I thought this gold and this buffalo checker was really cute. It sort of gave it a nice warm tone. Now, you know, these pumpkins I DIY'd last year, which is my glitter and my sparkle, and along with these wood logs. I DIY'd these last year. These logs I got from the supermarket, yes, and I used this sort of some chalk paint with water just to give it like a white birch wood look, and I put it on top of this magazine rack I got from the Goodwill. So I use this either to hold up my logs or I use it for blankets. Now, these glass pumpkins I got from JCPenney's a few years ago, and they do light up at night. Really cute. They just take AAA batteries. They light up a nice warm ambience. The middle one was just my pumpkin glass. I put a couple of the flowers in there and my little DIY of my pumpkin. Now, behind it is that garland I got from HomeGoods. Oh my God, look how long it is. It goes all the way down on one side. It was beautiful, just perfect for this area. So when it comes to my entranceway, I decided to put these beautiful leaves I got from Hobby Lobby in my vase. This vase I hauled from a store here called Living Spaces. Very nice furniture store. Now this garland again probably came from, I think, Michael's, either Hobby Lobby. Beautiful leaves again. I brought the whole thing across and I put it on just one side, let it cascade. I figured it gave me some length to this mirror I also hauled from HomeGoods last year. I upcycled this candle that I got from Walmart. Now for this tablescape, I decided to put the white tablecloth down because I think it really pops out the buffalo checkered, and this gives you that nice crisp look to it. And also over here, my roses from Rose Forever really looks nice. Now this blinged out pumpkin, not quite sure where I got it. Not sure if it was from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And along with this buffalo checker acorn I really did get this year, and I did get that from Hobby Lobby. I like to throw my burgundy on it as well because I think it pops with the red. So I'm keeping this theme. Like again, I'm going to switch it out for the Christmas because I kind of use the red theme a lot now. Over here, these are the napkin rings I got from Zgallerie that I hauled. And also I painted the bottom of these plates I got from Goodwill a few years ago. I just wanted to show you quickly, I did decide to change the curtain rods and to black instead of the silver, and I think it really popped over the table. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you briefly. I didn't do anything for the living room. As you can see, Queen Sarah, Miss Sarah is just relaxing, so I didn't really touch the coffee table or this part over here. I'm going out to the patio. If you guys didn't see that video more in depth of how I did my patio, there is a video on how I did my patio decor. But this is the theme for my patio, and I kept it the blue, the green, and the white. Okay, guys, that is the end of my fall 2020 tour. And as you can see, my warm colors on the inside with my cool colors on the outside. Now, one thing I did want to show you guys when I showed you my candle, when you get these things here from Walmart, just kind of recycle them, because I think what I'm going to do is recycle the napkin rings that I got yesterday. So only thing I did with this one, when you get down to the last of the wax here, either you could put it in the freezer or you can melt it out and put some hot water and wipe it out and clean it up real well. And the best thing I did was I cleaned it with steel wool and rinsed out properly. So with this one here, I didn't put a label on it yet, but I did make this here with my Cricut. So what I'm going to end up doing is storing these. I'm going to put my rings in here, my napkin rings in here. Instead of just trashing it, I'm going to put my napkin rings in here. And that way I will have storage for this for next year. Okay, and let's put a lid on here and just save this and just put here like napkin rings or something like that. So that was just like one little tip you can do just to save these, because these are really cute. Again, at Walmart, guys, this was only $5 and it smelled really good. So I bought several ones. So again, you could put like I did with the tea light candle when the wax melts out, unless you're into like re-waxing. Again, I'm not. I'd rather put a tea light in there already, or I think I'm going to use this for like a little storage. All right, guys, that's for my quick little tour. I didn't really have a whole lot to show you. If you didn't see the patio tour, go watch that one more in depth on how I did sort of like a little clean with me on my patio tour. Guys, well, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I try to mix it up sometimes with DIYs. I'm trying to not to do so many DIYs because, you know, I don't have the room and the space for it. I only do a DIY if it's relevant, it's something I really need. But I'm going to go back to Zgallerie, and I think I'm going to do the purple, silver, and white for Christmas. I'm going to use my theme for my chargers I got yesterday as a theme for my Christmas. So guys, stay tuned for that when I go back to Zgallerie to look for some Christmas decor. All right, guys, I see you in more, hopefully in a couple more days for the next video. All right, guys, I see you. It's Mooregirl. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, bye.